Hi friends, I trust you are doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your friend Jake Atenda, In this video guys, I want to share with you how we load these one-ton boxes of carrots into the truck. So here with me guys, I'm in the shed loaded with box. So this box each carries 1,000 plus kgs breaking paper carrots. Stay tuned guys, please don't forget to subscribe and like to this video for more videos.
Okay, as you can see guys, we are taking out the boxes from the shed and setting it so that the tractor can pick them very well with a hand lifter. So otherwise, like I said, each truck is carrying 21 boxes, and each box is weighing 1,000 kgs, even more than that. Okay, so stay tuned friends. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe and like to this video for more videos. In the comment section, don't forget to tell us where you're watching us from. Otherwise, I love you and I really appreciate for your support. Stay tuned.